Hey folks, this is Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center. Today we're going to talk about 5 good reasons a self-employed professional should take vacation. So let's get started. Do you really believe that being self-employed negates your right to take time off from your business? These are 5 excellent reasons that you ought to book a trip right away. Time spent physically. It takes a lot of effort to build and run a firm. If you let it, attempting to be superhuman will undoubtedly have consequences. Get some rest to give your body a break. Time for introspection. Your days are occupied with the daily tasks associated with your business, which can sometimes be rather demanding. Your general well-being and peace of mind will undoubtedly suffer if you don't allow yourself to take occasional breaks from it. Go have fun outside. Your brain will be appreciative. Take time to spend with close ones. Your loved ones watch you working non-stop, sometimes barely pausing for breath. You will value your time with them as much as they will. View the outside world or your backyard. It's crucial to engage in activities you find enjoyable, be it traveling or spending time at home if you don't feel like it or don't have the funds to do so. This could be difficult if you also work from home. It's important to avoid using your office throughout your vacation. Attempt to be imaginative when handling this. Close the door and put a sign to designate your workspace as off limits. Make every effort not to think about work. A day vacation to the beach or a hobby would be great. Consider enjoyable activities you can perform within your budget, or take no action at all. You are a living person. Surprisingly, many business owners don't think they should have time off, even though this one should go without saying. Too many tasks need to be completed, but there need to be more hours in the day to perform them all. Let me tell you something though. If you feel that way, no matter what, the ability to give yourself time off is unique to you. It's still far better than ever taking time off. Even if you would rather take a few day trips here and there rather than a week-long or longer vacation every year. Taking regular vacation time will improve your self-esteem and productivity, and you will be in better health. Click the link in the description and discover the essential steps to launching your own business with our comprehensive step-by-step guide to starting your own business. And of course, folks, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you can keep receiving new videos to enhance your knowledge. Thank you very much for listening.